back down. Guys, I don't know if you can see this, but that's the red arrows just flying around there. And we're about to split in a few seconds, so let's see how it goes. We're about to fly over there. We're returning soon. Where? Oh, there. Oh god, I lost track of him. Ready? Yeah. Here we are. Here we are. Yo guys, sorry if I lost track of the camera of the aircraft, but that is them deploying the smoke again. Be careful not to catch anyone on camera here. Wow. Returning. Where are we now? Just flying over us. Ready. Over there. Okay. Guys, this is so cool. We're deploying for smoke again. Wait. Guys, I don't know if you can see that, but we're a bit high in the sky. I'm in Portsoy today, and I am filming the airshow of the red arrows today. Okay. Wait a minute. We're splitting. No, we're not. I'm surprised how it made the British Airways sign there for a second. Okay, can you see them? I can't see it because it's a bit sunny today. Okay, they're quite hard to catch on camera. He'll be returning. There it is! There we go! Red, white and blue smoke! Everyone look at that! So yes, that is Red Arrows performing today here at Portsoy. They're an aerobatic scene. and you can see them flying very close to each other. I don't know if you can actually see them. Quite small and hard to catch on camera, but I'm sure you guys can see them clear enough because I can't. Flying over there now, and they're saying, oh, what's going on? Oh, guys, look at that. Can you see? But the red arrow, hold on. There we go. The hawk team up to Earth flying. But, interestingly, we're going in loops. Guys, we're going in loops. Guys. Okay. 7 minutes now. They've disappeared. No, wait, we're there. Okay. Guys, I don't know if you can see the little dots in the sky, but the red arrows right there. We'll deploy the smoke to make it easier to see them in a few minutes. So, where did they go? Where? Oh, there. The smoke, yes. Oh, there we go. They're splitting now. There we go. Guys, they're returning, guys. Look at this. Guys, you see that? Look at that. That is so cool. The 2-1 fire jets are just blazing it right now, guys. Colored smoke here. They're going over there now. Okay. Oh. Smoke's off. Sorry if they're hard to see. Guys, sorry if they're hard to see. Okay. Now since people ruined the they've disappeared.
No, they're there then.
Oh! Guys, look. We're about to do something cool, guys. I'm recording, but I'm trying to record. Oh, we're going now. We're going. We're
splitting now.
Yeah, we're splitting. I'm gonna record a smaller.
That way. We'll meet in the middle.
Okay. Okay, so they have now officially split, and they'll return to the position they were in. Okay, wait, let me zoom in. Okay. Watching. Recording.
Right, what?
Rebecca.
And zigzag.
Oh, let's go. Wow. I don't know if I caught that on camera. Okay, now to record this. Okay, recording the center. Where did it go?
Coming back this
This way, okay.
Where'd it go?
Right,
And
alright.
again.
Okay, let's do this. Guys, we're about to go.
Watch.
And in 3, 2. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Watch.
Red and white smoke.
This one's coming over.
Where?
Little.
Sir. Where did we go? Oh, there. Okay. I see them. Oh, wait, guys, wait. Can't see. Yes, we're there. Whoa! Yo, let's go. Gonna record, come on. It's the red smoke. Okay. That was going into the sky.
We're back.
Guys, we're a group of professionals. Trying to catch it on camera.
Watch.
Where?
Over there.
Over there, okay.
Coming back this way. Watching?
Yeah? Oh, guys, I don't think I caught it on camera. Whoa, I see one. Okay. We're red. It's red. It's big. It's red.
Now they're gonna go around and turn and come back again. Good guy.
Oh.
Now they're all gonna group again.
Okay, we're gonna stand up. Hey! This is a one-in-a-lifetime experience. I see a red arrow. Yeah. I see. Do you see that, guys? See? Yes. Look at them. Flying over 13 minutes now. Yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm recording. We're back. Yes!
The blue one.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.